Hi, I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on Google Pixel 9a. So open up your camera first and then make sure you are in photo mode. After that, tap on this little settings icon in the down left corner and select More Settings. So from here, this is important to turn on camera scan suggestions because when it is on, we can point camera to scan QR codes and documents. So make sure that the switch is in the right position. Now let's try this out. I'm gonna take this paper from Google Pixel user manual and point the camera at the QR code, and yep, we can see link which we can tap and open content of this QR code. So let's just wait, and yep, here is the Google Pixel user manual. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.